This is day 2 of the blizzard of 2011. The date is Wednesday, February the 2nd. And it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. And we see that there is a bunch of snow. As you can see from the drifting, there's the dog house. And the drift is almost midway to the dog house. And so it's really getting high out here. Holy cow. This is the side of the house. This is the dog. She's covered in snow. The flakes are coming out. Are pretty good size. It's actually very peaceful out here. This is amazing. More snow is on this way.